welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 27-year-old man arrested under POCSO Act. Sacred Heart Boys School inaugurates annual sports meet 2025. HYDC meets KHADC CEM to address unemployment issues. And Commercial Vehicle Drivers Union raises concerns over foreign drivers. And now the news in detail. The Honorable Special Judge, POCSO West Khasi Hills Nongstoin, has convicted Ba Prangsni Rindathiang for the rape of a minor. At the hearing, the court pronounced punishment with 3 years imprisonment along with a fine of Rs 10,000. He was also ordered that if he fails to pay the fine, he will have to continue in jail for another 6 months. On 4th July 2023, police received a complaint against Ba Prangsni Rindathiang, 27-year-old, resident of Dongkingding village, Eastern West Khasi Hills district. He was accused of raping a minor. Police have registered a case under Section 506 Para 1 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 5N6 of the POCSO Act. The investigation into the case has been handed over to the Women Police Sub-Inspector Kong A. Thongni, and after conducting the investigation, the police have arrested Ba Prangsni Rindathiang and remanded him in judicial custody. The court has now sentenced him to 3 years in prison and a fine of Rs 10,000. Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School Meghalaya inaugurated its annual school sports meet 2025 at Madan Lau Raman, Meghalaya Phutmuri. Father Telesphore Nonglang, parish priest of Meghalaya, graced the event as the chief guest. In his speech, he highlighted the importance of sports in building self-discipline, strength and teamwork among students. The opening day featured a march past, drill display and various performances. The grand finale of the sports meet is scheduled for April 4th, 2025. Students, teachers and parents participated enthusiastically, making it a vibrant and memorable occasion.
With Stephanie Hasha as the commander, Isan Bondo Rindathiang, placard bearer, and Ari Punia Dakar. And flag bearer Baruch Kharpuri.
Good morning, Father Principal, Father Vice Principal, Reverend Fathers who are on the dais, the Brother Hadrian, other invited guests, dear teachers, beloved students, parents, and all who are here invited guests. I feel deeply humbled and unworthy to stand before you at this moment. At the same time, feel very much privileged to witness before you at the inaugural function of our annual school sports 2025. This exciting occasion brings us together to celebrate teamwork, sportsmanship, and the pursuit of excellence. Sports play a vital role in shaping our young minds and bodies. They teach us valuable life skills like discipline, perseverance, and collaboration. Through sports, we learn to overcome obstacles and strive for greatness. To make this event a successful one, many have put their minds, hearts, hands together in planning even to the minutest details. I wish all the organizers especially a successful execution of all that was planned. Especially, I wish the head of the institution, for the principal, vice principal, and all the rest, and all his collaborators, the teachers and students. May Almighty God give you all, especially the participants, good health as well as the spirit of sportsmanship.
The Hnyotrep Youth Development Council HYDC met with KHADC Chief Executive Member CEM Ba Shemborlang Renja to discuss rising unemployment in the state. HYDC leader Raiwan Sotun stated that the meeting focused on the council's commitment to a clean recruitment policy. They urged the CEM to halt labour and trading licenses for foreign workers until local unemployment decreases. Additionally, they suggested implementing minimum wages across KHADC's jurisdiction. Ba Shemborlang assured them that their concerns would be considered as part of ongoing efforts to address employment challenges in the region.
Kat baka kerteng juga tu terpomban kadang kerteng juga kursi. Datang artili ki pom ki ba utraru de kursi, manijaru de kursi, nongtreru de kursi. Badahagi tu ki pom artili ke bangi la syam ngi kalong ba. Abo manijaru kursi, utrai kursi, nongtre kursi. Giyo ya ketulop ke ba kam tam su ban ya ketu ka minimum wage ke belak perskat dan sorkar Meghalaya. Kini ki we ki pom badaya ki balong trai do kursi, manijar do kursi, nongtre do kursi, o long trai do kursi, manijar do kar. Nong trebun dukar iwe kasi ondang ikli yo tau kasi batreng tung ong katnu yo tulok ong san hajar sibenai tega jingkeli menta kalong ba hatu san hajar sibenai nginlek ke san hajar sibenai ngin syong kali ne ngin tiet penbiang penbit ai yang asam ne nginlek ke kata san hajar takadau kani ke isu hak beide bat ka kam ka jam bat kani ke komsio ya ka bainong nong tre kadai ke badon kam tam na menta ikna Samla jugi ngilai teng isngau ba kani kelak dei ka exploitation of labor nakaliang jong keseng ni kerentang kendap dak bahasa ni obam tasni dang wan ani hapo si council ngimpat kwa ban ya pun huri hura ngimpat kwa ban ong bangin len in le start himengi hendeng in le lan pai lan tiak petiang in le hado ngin poi hau tau thong ha kata ka point ka bangi ong ba ya kani ngim solak syak syo Bleng ke sokar Meghalaya ka susna ya kene ka antang bandap kom. On dak lak poi kata kapor ngin sedang ye bijinki. Re hadu mentahi ngin kwa bijinki ngin ikunduk suai usar basna itu di minimum wage. Ni lak tho ya ka appointment sya u minister jong ka labor ba undai ban ya kunduk ban clarify ba hatu kani ka an ka minimum wage ka dei ka an tang na benta ban su peni ya ki pai ba bakal don ka an ne ka dei ka an ka basna na menta ban pentrikam. Menang iwan kundu yo UCM juga district council hang ni ngiklim kli yu ba on lek kumnu lada om tre kene ka an namar ba ka an tum dei usnamu.
The Union of Urban and Suburban Commercial Vehicle Drivers met with KHADC Executive Member EM for Trade, Ba Tony Winston Lingdo, to address concerns about foreign commercial vehicle drivers operating without proper documentation, including labour licenses. Following the meeting, Union Vice President Ba Shimla Renja criticized the previous Executive Committee, EC, for inaction, stating that the issue has worsened over time. He urged the new EC to take a firm stand on the matter. In response, Ba Tony acknowledged the concern and emphasized the need for government intervention to regulate foreign drivers.
Kejing telasi ke basisin bulan September harus tarik dari hadin tu kejing telasi ladon siar tak kejing kerja sport hari arsi laisi tanpa sofni sansui pada kila ni kamai dia kegai ba nakaleng tu kaseng ketungi hadin sibrai bagila hadin sibrai nak ketuga tarik ke bagila checking lawan ni kenduk yang in charge dia lawan ni kenduk kemyo ban ni kenduk Nak siok ban jekren lembaga phone call. IM ila penpau dari yang tempat yok report nak enforcement. Di kai kecing lengok nak kalian tu seng tu ke longba. Hadu adin si penai do tempat don kata report ke ban kalian di enforcement kemlak ban ai IM beri page ke kali bo. Tengis no penpau saya kata kacing studio kan kalian gak siam bo. Bat kum tu adin setang kakku kan ni lawan dapat ni ke election MDC. Kum tu ke lakut no kum tu tan kalian kaseng jungi mata kasni pada dari Sophia ini bentar. Lawan yang bani kenduk ini yang bertemai di bawah Winston Tony Lendok. Dekai ke pasutnat kalung ban kalian jung yang ba Sophia ikan ni. But ni pediang ye kata warga isi jui ke ulang kabatang yang datang sita hitam. Di kembali ke besuk bakin page lagi singdom kamboro. Tiba isi barim gelak ni akan isi ke kandu ke bakala kandu ke bakin page kata kembali ke besuk ai si benai isi lagi. Mat ingin sekarang ba hagan ni isi bat mai ngatrai ke bang kum ka usian ni kwa ngatrai kandon ka jingbun dan dikatakan jing persiang lagi nanti ba tinde ing barangkam tik ni nak banai kata kan muhut tang belong ba tilak bun nomor ba nganong ipi pimpit mentamo kum bekar badi lumuri udi ladi sau snem hadi non rak so sadi hadi nantu warak sau kun tu tikini kita depan berjalan tah ni ko jelat ni tilak kan ni keju Iwan tadi kata seorang besar orang pun tapi kita suku yang kata karena yang support Iwan yang kebayi gitu karena yang di tumi pada kita jelas kalau mentagi karena yang support ada pergi keduk keduk jam tadi penting kawin nak banyak kali kemai kawin nak lat kam jam tak cintuan pergi di barjela ka penduk kam jam nak kini pun Samla sing mah penting apa ni kasi hidup kali mentah bangin yok biang simpor arab nai lebenai. Jadi kita harap pada hidup kali mentah tang sosgi sensi kala yok. Kata si nganong si ka ba. Kitrai kali kipan kebai madik si ka ba. Barem kala benai mar susu si keceka ki kimyok kamai kecil biang. Kiyok kamai suk ndi try kata harap kala bendai gawi.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.